What's up, people? What's up, people? What's up? Hello.
Hello!
What's up, people? Here's that guy again, the never-ending stock market rally guy, the guy who said you could buy stocks blindly and walk away. Remember, these videos have been dead on for the last 30 days. Now, if you've come to the website, hitthebid.com, which I tell you that you should come before somebody gobbles it up and makes you pay for it to come to the site if I sell out. But what I was saying in the chat room, okay, now obviously we know about my Google Play and how I wasted about 10 points waiting for this thing to go to 550, and as everybody must know, I got out of the common stock at 520, and then the stock proceeded to go up 10 points. The moral of the program is always you have to come to the website and see exactly what's going on live, up to date. And if I'm not there, then nothing's going on. There's 500 other guys there that can help you figure out something to do for the day. So the FSLR short was a phenomenal trade on Friday, and we had the puts. Now, the thing that I want to bring up, and this is where I'm going to contradict everything I've been saying the whole time. REDF, R-E-D-F, LLNW, ACG. There's a crop of stocks, dry ships. There's a crop of stocks that give you an indication that there's nothing left good to run. So they go to the lowest rung, the ninth circle of hell, the dogs of the dogs, the shit of the shit, and those stocks start moving 20, 30, 50, 100%. And then we had the REDF and the LLNW, and I'm sure I'm forgetting a whole bunch of stocks, but that usually signifies a short-term top. And I was in the chat room suggesting this. This is why these videos sometimes they're just for fun. I know you want to look at my pretty face. I know what you want to hear. But right now, oh, and also, sports gambling is not a good thing to do with your money this year. So I win one, I lose two. That's how it's been over the last 3 weeks so far. And I definitely do, and I am impressed. And let me tell you something about the stock market and how I equate that and coincide that with how the Jets are performing. Once you start feeling good about something, that's when it goes the other direction. So right now, the elation is starting to creep into my body as far as the Jets are concerned. So here comes Monday Night Football against Brett Favre, and I'm just getting ready for disappointment. But the moral of the story is, once again, being proven that if you're going to get in this business right now, you got to take it seriously. You got to be active. You have to be nimble. And what I do is preach, if you see the money, take the money. And all those videos where I'm just ranting and raving and pissed off about the market, it's generally when it's making one move in one direction. And I'm left in limbo waiting for something to happen. But I waited it out. I stayed short the Qs. As everybody knows, I was shorting the Qs. I got out of my Google. I was shorting the REDF, I was shorting the LLNW, and here we are in the midst of our sell-off finally. Can't tell you how long it's going to last. I'd like to see it last all the way for the next 2 weeks. Options expiration. Let's see some volatility back into this market, some craziness. And as always I say, the Baidu indicator is where we should be focusing our attention. The Baidu indicator. Now, everybody knows that we've missed an 800-point move in the stock. But all along, if you go back to the last year and a half and watch the videos, subtly I've always said, if you just want to make money, buy some Baidu because it'll probably go to 1,000. That wasn't based on any stochastics or Bollinger Bands or momentum or anything that any technical analysis would talk about. I talk about sentiment and what I've seen happen in the past. And when I see a stock on a massive run like this, I say, hey, it's going to just keep going. It's going to keep going until that psychological spot is met. And when they split the stock, which was a great idea, I said it's going to go to 100. And I also said when Baidu hits 100, that'll probably be a good time to either sell out of that stock or go short the entire market. So if you've come to the chat room, this is what was provided to you. Now, am I coming across as arrogant? Am I coming across as being self-important douchey right now? Because I don't want to. I'm really only here to help. I suggest I talk about what I've seen happen in the past. And if it comes true, then we etch it into the stock market almanac and we move on from there. Bottom line is, what's going to happen now? That's what you want to know, right? Right now, I'm staying short the Qs, the Q. I shorted more last week looking for this reversal. We still stuck in the dry ships, DRYS, because it didn't break 5. We were waiting for that to short. We were looking to get out of that long, maybe if it broke 5. ACTG is just ridiculous, ACTG. FSLR never broke that 150, so we were looking to short that. Okay, so now I'm just going to head out, and I'm probably going to go to one more place, or a couple more places. Some friends I still have in the industry. I wanted to go check out what they've been doing lately. And I'll be in touch. Good luck to you guys. And the funniest thing I see on my screen right now, everything's red except for Penson. If you're wondering, I still own Penson, PNSN. There's a winner stock for you. Be good, be smart, and all that stuff.
I would much prefer Krull.